The future of AI. What will happen in the next 5 years? AI is evolving faster than ever. In the next 5 years, it will change everything. Yes, everything. How we work, learn, and even live. Stay until the end to see how AI could shape your future. 1:AI will replace some jobs, but create new ones. AI automation is taking over repetitive tasks, but it won't just eliminate jobs. It will create new career opportunities. Expect a rise in AI-related jobs such as AI prompt engineers, experts who train AI to give better responses, AI content creators, people who use AI to generate videos, art, and articles, AI ethics specialists, professionals ensuring AI is used responsibly well. If you want to stay ahead, now is the time to learn AI skills. 2. AI will transform healthcare. In the next 5 years, AI will revolutionize healthcare by detecting diseases faster and more accurately than doctors, creating AI-powered virtual doctors for instant medical advice, developing AI-generated drugs, reducing the time it takes to cure diseases. However, AI won't replace doctors, but it will make healthcare faster and smarter. 3. AI will change education forever. AI-powered tutors will provide personalized learning for every student. Imagine an AI that understands your learning style and adapts lessons just for you. Schools and universities will use AI to automate grading and assignments, provide real-time AI tutors to help students 24 hours, 7 days a week, create AI-powered classrooms with interactive virtual learning. Education will no longer be one-size-fits-all. It will be tailored to every student. 4. AI will become more human-like. Right now, AI is smart, but it lacks emotion and creativity. In the next 5 years, AI will become more human-like, with advanced AI voice assistants that feel like talking to a real person. AI-generated movies, music, and art that rival human creativity. Emotionally aware AI that can detect and respond to human feelings. AI will not just be a tool. It will feel like a real assistant, friend, or even a companion. AI is shaping the future faster than we ever imagined. Are you ready for it? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI updates. Just thank you for watching.